What up, what up? Just touched down on the plane, headed to Orlando. That's right, Orlando premiere, so on the plane, see y'all soon. Man, I can't wait. It's gonna be an exciting trip. But yeah, give you that behind the scenes. Once again, YouTube, I appreciate y'all. Send it to a friend, tell them to subscribe, like it, comment, whatever you want to do. But yeah, Orlando, I got comments. Out here, we out here. We just landed. I don't even know why I keep saying we. It's just me. I'm doing this on my iPhone, so yeah, I'm out here. I just landed in Orlando. As soon as we get off the plane, as soon as I get off the plane, we gotta go back to work. Right to the hotel, get everything situated, model call, rehearsal, team, like all that good stuff. So yeah, time to go to work, y'all. See y'all in a minute. So, as I told you, I was gonna have to work as soon as we got here, or as soon as I got here. So, this is our model call. And so for you guys that don't know what model call is, it's us waiting to see how many models we could get in one room, and then we pick the models, and we're not picking the best of the best. What we're doing is picking what works best for what message we're trying to deliver for the weekend of the show. Paula, say what up.
What up, everybody?
So if y'all don't know, this is my little sis Paula right here.
Hello.
And then my dog. You already know my dog with me. So yeah, we about to turn up on y'all. He said talk to him. So I'm filming YouTube content right now. So if you wanted to hear me talk, then you about to hear me talk right now.
Get over to Orlando.
Get over to
Hear
Orlando.
this man.
All right, man. Let him know. But we're backstage right now, getting ready for the main stage rehearsal. Just walking through some stuff, peeping things out. Rest of the team behind me. They're up next to get this treatment. So, am I too tall? Do I need to squat down?
Sound great.
All right, sound
I
great.
can stand on a case for you.
Oh, boom. Special arrangements.
Right, who's that? This dude is big.
You're supposed to say pause when you say that.
Tall.
No, pause. Yeah, like if you say this dude is big, you gotta say pause.
That's right. This dude is big.
Pause.
Pause.
Yeah.
Like P-A-U-S-E.
Yeah, like pause.
This dude is big. Pause.
There you go. He said the pause.
You should have been back there acting like you're doing the break.
So we are backstage, and Paula has her own, her whole
entourage.
thing. Yeah. She just was dressed in black like all of us, and all of a sudden, she came out of nowhere, and look what happened.
Oh, I didn't even know you were filming.
So beautiful. You wrote this haircut with us in the classroom.
Is it rehearsal? This is what our rehearsal look like. I gotta walk, boom, walk, spin.
So while you won't hit this mark, you'll walk off stage.
When in
And that's the
Florida,
end of your segment. So the music's
when in Florida, you gotta give it to Kodak Black. Walk. You got Sean back there acting crazy, but yeah, it's that time. Time for my class here at Premiere. I'm gonna do some stuff about Mitch Maverick, ball fade, beard work, razor work, a little bit of mixture of everything. I'm sure that room is gonna fill up pretty soon. And yeah, we are going to let you see a little bit of it. Stay tuned. She come out of the bathroom
Snatching souls.
Talk
about she not Beyonce. What?
Paula P.
Ooh, Paula
P, bitch.
It's Paula P, bitch. Yeah, so now this is day 2. I'm back in the back prepping my models for the classroom, prepping for main stage. Normally I don't prep, but I'm on a time crunch like no other. I have to complete a haircut on stage in about 6 minutes, and in the classroom I got about 30 minutes. So yeah, your boy gotta prep at least for that 6-minute joint. Yesterday, I pulled off a haircut and a beard line in 6 minutes, and I talked about product. Today, I learned from yesterday, so now I'm gonna have a little fun in a little different way. So yeah, wait till y'all see it. So just finished the main stage presentation. Now I'm about to walk on the show floor and show y'all what this thing look like. Let's see, hold on, come on, see? Y'all wanna be nosy? Let's be nosy together.
Needing a little bit of color melting and some creative placement to get some movement going.
So we at dinner, right? And this what happens. So she's responsible for booking this reservation. But this is what we do. Hey, the real question is who gonna sit at that table?